And welcome back. Yung mga ngayon lang nag-tune in, what we're doing is the Freeport Hour right now, episode number 2, featuring the SBMA Public Relations Department. Okay, so part 2 po tayo. Kanina we mentioned bago tayo nagpaalam, bago tayo nag-commercial break, we will get to know more the SBMA PRD. But before that, we are inviting all of you, everybody listening right now, kung may mga gusto po kayong itanong, may mga katanungan kayo regarding the functions or anything and everything about the SBMA Public Relations Department, feel free to text me now. Pwede po kayong mag-text yung may mga gustong itanong. 0909-263-0840 or for Globe users, 0917-648-2772. Pwede rin pong tumawag sa landline hotline number natin. We can put you on air. Kung may gusto kayong itanong live on air, pwede. 252-8905. Now, let's get to know the SBMA Public Relations Department. Unang-una po, ang opisina ninyo is located sa...
Our office is located at the Room 105,
Okay.
Building 255, Barryman Road, Subic Bay, Freeport.
Building 255.
Yes, nasa
Ayan.
likod po kami ng admin building, which is Building 229.
Alright. And ang pinaka-hotline number po, pinaka-hotline number talaga,
Pinaka-hotline
no?
number, 252-4368.
4368. Yan yung pinaka-main hotline.
Yes.
Alright. And also, if please correct me if I'm wrong, sa SBMA PRD na nakabase yung SBMA Info Hotline number, am I right?
Yes, opo. Si Tita Malu din ang nagsusupervise ng ating mga Info Center Angels.
Which
Yan.
happens to be 252-4000.
4,000, 4,001, 4,002.
Yun, madali na lang pong tandaan kung may gusto kayong tawagan or kontakin na iba't ibang departamento dito sa Subic Bay, Freeport or kahit na ano pa
Ang
bang
ating mga
establishment, locators. Yun lang po yung hotline number. Ang daling tandaan. 252-4000.
252 SBMA.
SBMA hotline.
252-7262 also.
Oh, okay. 2762.
2762.
252 SBMA.
Or, DJ Tommy, 252 SBMA.
Oh,
Sa ating mga
7262.
international at saka national caller.
All right.
Yes, oo.
Now, let's get to know the SBMA Public Relations Department.
Yes.
Yan.
Okay, go.
Sige po.
What do you want to know about us?
Well, unang-una, siyempre,
Wag lang waistline ko.
umpisahan natin sa sa pinakamagandang SBMA manager na nakilala ko.
Naman!
Sa balat ng
Ang love mo,
SBMA.
DJ Tommy. Talagang we love each other.
Ayan. Si Miss Army Carbajal Llamas.
Llamas.
Ayan. How long have you been with the SBMA po?
Oh, wow. Hindi ko nga akalain na magtatagal pala ako dito. I started in November 2005 and I'm gonna be 9 years this November 2014. Tagal na din! And having come here talagang, before sinasabi nga sa akin nila Mama Ron and some of my staff, kasi before I used to go home every week nung first few months ko dito.
hirap nun,
Yes,
ha?
every week umuwi ako talaga sa Manila. Then, as the years passed, talagang I found this as my home na. Talagang, minsan pag nasa Manila ako, bumibiyahe ka, kahit anong oras, uuwi ako dito because iba talaga ang Subic Bay, Freeport.
Alright.
This is our home and talagang wala, it cannot be compared to Manila talaga. Sa Manila kasi bukod sa congested na, super traffic,
Exactly.
tapos polluted, tapos medyo may safety issues din. So, ayun. Dito,
It's true.
thanks to our law enforcement department, syempre hindi naman mawawala yung mga
Oh, yeah.
minsan na nangyayari, pero they have been keeping the Freeport safe talaga. Yung dito pwede ka magbilang ng pera sa loob ng Freeport na hindi ka ninenervyos na may tatakbo taagawan ka. You can use your cell phone, you can put out your cell phone kahit iPhone 6 pa yan.
Yeah.
Walang tatakbo niyan, walang mag-aagaw niyan sa'yo at itatakbo.
Exactly.
And parang tulong-tulong din lahat ng departments. Remember before, parang recently nga, parang may inawardan tayong mga manang kasi may nahuling ang mga looters sa legenda, hinabol nila talaga, di ba? Ang galing.
I followed
So
that.
anyway, lumalayo ako. So, yun, dito na ako sa Subic Bay, Freeport, and I'm looking at my retirement here na din. Kasi malapit na rin yun.
Malayo pa.
Malapit na yun, umaamin ako.
Ganun ba?
Wala pa kasi sa phase.
Oo, amin ako.
Diba?
Serious ako nung sinasabi kong malayo pa. Kasi
Malapit na.
you
Malapit na siya.
Don't look it, you know?
Malapit na siya. And
Alright.
I'm happily a resident of Biniktikan. Yun.
Mhm. Okay.
Tapos, I have 2 kids. My daughter just graduated from Brent and she's now studying in UP. My son is with my mom in Manila. Siya ngayon ang kasakasama ng mami ko kasi mag-isa na siya doon. So, ayun, my husband works with a health distributor company. Yun. So, nandoon sila sa Manila. And ako naman, I'm happily single here.
Alright. You've been with the SBMA since 2005.
Yes, since 2005.
pala. And before SBMA,
Before SBMA, I worked for 7.5 years with the Office of the President.
Okay.
Under the Office of the Executive Secretary. I started during the time of Secretary Zamora there. And then I was assigned under Attorney Vicente de la Serna. Napakabait ng boss ko na yun talaga,
Wow.
sobra. And
Yeah.
then afterwards, nung nagpalit na po tayo ng administrasyon, I was transferred under Secretary Ermita.
Okay.
Yun. My immediate boss then was the now NTC Commissioner Attorney Liel Cordoba.
wow, your resume must be really, really pretty impressive. You know? And saan po kayo sa Manila?
We live in Quezon City. Nandun kami sa boundary ng Manila and Quezon City. Kung alam niyo yung the famous Lechon Capital,
Oh,
nandun kami sa La Loma.
La Loma.
Yes, oo.
Alright.
And my mom still holds her clinic there. Kasama nga niya yung aking panganay na lalaki.
Okay. Alright.
Yun.
So let's get to know si Tita Malu
Yes, si
naman.
Tita Malu naman.
Ayan. Hello, Tita Malu.
Hi, DJ Tommy.
Part 2.
Oo.
Getting to know you.
Ako
Alright.
po si Marilu Dubog.
Okay.
They call me Tita Malu. Young and old, they call me Tita Malu. So, ako naman po ay Information Officer 3 ng Public
Information
Relations
Officer,
Department.
Admin Officer,
Admin
Comrel Officer, Media
Budget
Relations Officer, at
Supply
lahat ng klaseng
Diba?
officer.
Yan lang po.
And community-
At least mas maganda rin yung marami kang alam,
Yeah.
no? Para at least nakakatulong ka ng mabuti sa ating
Versatile.
departamento.
Alright.
So, I handles yung mga information officer natin na nag-handle ng info center natin.
Ng info
Subo Bay
hotline.
Info Center natin.
Alright.
They are also the one who give
Si Jubay and Gugi.
Jubay
Hi,
at si
guys.
Gugi. Yan.
Alright.
Sila po yung nag-handle ng natin, ng information dissemination natin. At the same time, sumasagot sa ating mga caller regarding sa directory ng ating SBMA at yung iba't ibang information na kailangan nila sa iba't iba nating locators. So, yan lang po. Kung halimbawa gusto niyo magtanong regarding doon po sa ating mga locators, konting information, general informations, you can call our Subic Bay Info Center.
And-
252 SBMA.
Okay. And how long have you been with the SBMA now?
Ay, 13 years na.
Oh my gosh.
Oo. Galing ako sa Navy. Then after the
Wow.
Navy...
When this was still the US military base.
Yes, Naval Facility. Naka-assign ako sa US Naval Supply Depot. We handle property packing and preservation. Kung alam niyo po yung mga kagamitan ng incoming and outgoing US serviceman, yun po yung hinahandle ng section namin. At imagine, DJ Tommy, 100 na warehouse mo nakasama ko.
Wow.
Nag-iisa akong babae.
100 warehouse.
Yes, 100 warehouse
Kaya ang
man.
dami niyang manliligaw na kanok nung araw.
Oo. Sorry na
That's
lang
nice,
sila. Taken na ako at the time. Sayang no?
Sayang talaga.
Oo, sayang. Pero okay lang po.
So-
Happy naman po ako.
DJ Tommy, gusto ko
Yes,
rin
ma'am.
idagdag na si Tita Malu proudly ang aming ang panalo sa Pag-asa ng Bayan Award.
Yeah.
Pag-asa Award.
Pag-asa Awardee ng Civil Service Commission.
Yes
Yan.
po.
Yeah.
Yan si Tita Malu ko, Civil Service Awardee.
And also kailan lang, di ba, sa SBMA employee of
Yes, opo.
the year. One of the
Nagpapasalamat
finalists.
ako, DJ.
Yeah.
Samantalahin ko na, DJ Tommy.
Opo.
Ako,
You're really supposed to
oo.
say all those things.
Nagpapasalamat ako. Siyempre,
Yeah.
sa unang-una sa departamento ko at sa napakabait na department manager ko sa lahat ng suporta na binigay nila sa akin during that time.
Alright.
Hindi ko akalain, DJ Tommy, talaga. Naiyak ako. Iba na yung mga community natin, mga recipient natin ng mga livelihood project natin. During that time na binibigyan ako ng, ini-evaluate ako ng isang napaka-strictong evaluator from CSC. Talagang very supportive sila. Siguro, ano na rin yan, resulta na rin yan ng magandang pakikitungo natin. At the same time, yung pag-aasikaso natin sa mga stakeholders natin. Yan naman din yung minumulat sa atin ng ating department manager. Na lahat kami, as information officer, as community relation officer ng departamento, ay dapat maging bukas puso.
Yep,
Kasi
definitely.
pag mataray ka,
Ay, bawal sa opisina ko
pag di mo
mataray,
nakapasensya.
bawal ang masungit.
Yes.
In fact, in any government offices, talaga dapat bawal yan no?
Yes, oo.
Pero lalong-lalo na sa department.
Lalo na sa department namin kasi as the term of as the term
Yeah,
implies, as the
exactly.
name of our department implies, public service talaga kami. Yun.
Sad to say, hindi naman lahat, pero kahit ako may mga na-encounter ako na
Yes, oo.
mga
Sad
government
talaga,
offices, yung nasa
sad
frontline
talaga.
pa mismo, ang
Correct.
susungit.
Ang susungit. Sambakol pa
Bawal
mga
ang
mukha.
nakasimangot sa amin, DJ Tommy. Bawal na
Yes.
bawal.
Yung last na encounter ko, don't worry, hindi naman dito sa SBMA. It's somewhere else, but it's a government office.
Yes.
Nagtatanong pa lang ako, galit na kagad.
Sadly,
Nakataas na
meron
kagad yung
talagang
kilay.
ganon. That's reality.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
hindi nga dapat ganon because we're supposed to be serving the people.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba?
The people's servant.
And gusto ko rin banggitin, dear, kasi ang kasama ko dito si Tita Malu, nag-isa siya. We also have Tintin Geronimo.
Si Miss Tintin Geronimo.
Yes, si Tintin, ang hinahandle naman niya yung mga displaced na waste pickers. And then we have Carlos Andres, or Dong, as we fondly call him. Ang handle naman niya yung mga aitas ng Kanawan. And then we have Jigs for
Okay.
Pastolan Aitas.
Pastolan
Si
Aitas.
Arlene, siya naman ang nag-handle ng 4 tribes ng mga aitas in Olongapo.
4 tribes?
Yes, 4 tribes yun.
Medyo malawak-lawak yung sakop niya.
And then, yeah, si Tita Gugi and si Juvay, yun ang ating Info Center Angels. And yung aming lady in waiting, si Marie, and si Butch, yung piloto namin. Yung
Piloto.
aming driver.
Alright.
Oo, si Butch. Ayan. So, magandang umaga. And nagpapasalamat din kami dahil, syempre, with the support of the management, and syempre, unang-una, yung inabot ko na dito, si Chairman Salonga and the Administrator Areza. And ngayon po, si Chairman Garcia, Chairman and Administrator Garcia, for being so supportive. Syempre, it's not always a bed of roses, but then again, we try to make
Exactly.
the best of what there is. Yung what is there, yun.
Yeah, yeah.
Kung anong meron, yun. Syempre, it's not always an ideal setting, but we thank the agency for what we are now and who we are now, because with all the trainings, naho-hone din tayo, and it enhances our public service.
Nice, very well said. And all in all, ilan po yung staff na nabanggit nyo? You guys
10
are
kami
10
sa office.
SBMA
Yes, we're
PRD.
Napakalaking napakalaking
Yeah.
number, no? 10. Imagine yung hinahandle na.
And the magnitude of the work.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Kulang na kulang
namin,
kayo.
hindi, okay naman kami doon. In fact, parang sa amin, ideal na nga kami because we're close and we treat each other like family talaga. As in, we dumadamay kami sa bawat isa. We celebrate the joys and the triumphs of each and every member of the PRD. We console in times of yung mga sad moments sa mga buhay-buhay, ganyan. And parang okay na kami. Doon sa magnitude ng trabaho namin, naka-adapt na rin kami. And we're thankful talaga sa bawat isa because each and every member of the Public Relations Department is a gem. Talagang ano siya,
Team player.
kanya-kanya talaga siya ng skill, kanya-kanya ng strengths. So we work together as a team talaga.
Also, I would like to, is it okay if I may add?
Sure.
Si Mr. Anthony Bayarong of
Ayan,
now of
si
the
Anthony,
Public Affairs
proudly,
Office.
he now
Used
heads
to be
the
with-
Public Affairs Office ng City of
Olongapo City.
Olongapo. Hi, Tone! I miss you, anak.
Huwag mo kalimutan ng ating si Tata August mo.
Ay, si Tata August
yeah,
nando
yeah.
doon na. Birthday nga pala niya nung August. So,
kasi August.
happy birthday, Manong August.
Yeah,
Oo,
right.
ayan.
They used to be with the SBMA
Yeah,
PRD.
nag-retire na kasi si Manong August. Pero nandyan siya every time na merong Wednesday mass. Pupunta muna siya sa office, dadaan siya. Yun, kahapon lang, kasama ko siya kasi nag-mass kami because it was the birthday of Mama Mary. Happy birthday, Mama Mary. Ayun. So,
Ayan.
yun.
Okay, so this is sort of like something like a tradition for the Freeport Hour lang naman.
Yeah.
Parang there's no right or wrong answer in every office na tinatanong namin. Like
Okay.
your office for this time. What is the biggest no-no inside the SBMA PRD office? The biggest no-no there.
The biggest no-no? Masungit. No talaga. Definitely a
Yeah.
big no-no.
A big no-no.
I constantly
Masungit.
remind my staff na bawal talaga ang masungit. Lahat tayo dapat nagpapasalamat at may trabaho tayo.
Yeah.
Kapag there are times na napapagod tayo, okay lang yon kasi tao tayo eh. But then again, we should always be thankful na meron pa tayong trabaho. Kaya hindi ka pwedeng magsungit dahil at least, ang iisipin mo na lang, you always have to look at the bright side na may trabaho ka. Because pag hindi ka binibigyan ng boss mo ng trabaho, there must be something wrong.
Baka hindi gusto yung gawa mo.
Or
yung
baka
trabaho.
you're not needed, your
Yeah,
skills
exactly.
are not enough to serve the purpose, yung ganon. So, habang binibigyan ka ng trabaho, ako pag binibigyan ako ni chairman ng trabaho, pag binibigyan ko ng trabaho ang staff ko, dapat thankful lang tayo.
Yeah.
At nakikita pa ng ating mga higher-ups yung importance natin sa agency.
Yeah. You're being relied on. Diba?
Yes.
Because of what you can do.
Yes.
Siyempre
Ibig
nga
sabihin naniniwala yung mga higher-ups sa capabilities natin. Kaya nagbibigay sila sa atin ng trabaho.
And question number 2, doon pa rin sa kategorya na to.
Yes. Okay.
Meron ba tayong like what we call, ano ba yung tawag natin doon? Yung mga kasabihan. Ano ang fina-follow natin na kasabihan sa inyo sa SBMA PRD office?
Aha.
If there's one, if there's
one.
any, alin
Ang
po yun?
masungit, pangit.
Talagang doon sa topic na yun.
Yes.
Talagang bawal
Bawal ang masungit.
sa
Bawal
loob
ang
ng SBMA PRD.
Bawal ang nakasimangot. Yes.
Okay, so any upcoming important event for SBMA PRD?
We have.
Uh-huh.
We are arranging now. Sabi nga ni Tita Malu kanina, we just finished with our livelihood with our Agustuhin Fisher folks. And then upcoming, we have the livelihood scheduled for our Olongapo Aitas. And then we have another one for the
Subic.
for Subic women folk. And this coming October is IP month again. And for the past 7 years, ever since the Community Relations Department has been transferred to us, to the PRD,
All right.
we have been celebrating it with various activities. Siyempre, we will be starting off with the flag raising ceremony, the
Okay.
usual, and then we will be guesting again, hopefully.
Of course.
Our tribal chieftain, and then we have meron tayo ngayon before kasi we used to have yung photo contest, ngayon wala na. Meron tayong hindi ko pa napapa-approve kay chairman so saka ko na lang sasabihin. Yung mga approved na, yung mga
marami
livelihood
talaga.
projects, information, education, and then hopefully we could conduct tours for our ITAs, yung mga hindi pa nila napupuntahan. And then we're planning on arranging an interface dun sa mga ITAs ng Olongapo, Kanawan, and Pastolan. Yung sila yung they can exchange
Alright.
ideas sa mga cultures nila, sa tribes nila, kasi iba-iba sila ng tribo eh. And then, syempre, we have this upcoming seminar, hopefully, yung sa climate change. And then we also have we also invited PIDEA for concerns regarding yung drug prevention, ganyan. And meron na naman tayong parating na naman yung ating November anniversary. So hopefully with the tourism department, marami din uling mga activities yan. And I also would like to shout out kasi hindi naman po tayo tumitigil sa pagtulong kasi alangan naman kasing kapag may bagyo lang, tsaka lang tayo magsha-shout out. So, kung meron po sa inyo dyan na nagki-clean ng closet nyo ngayon and medyo masyado na kayong maraming gamit, pwede nyo pong ipadala sa office namin kasi iniipon din namin yan para pagdating po ng panahon na talagang kailangan nating magbigay ng tulong sa mga taong naapektuhan,
Yep.
halimbawa ng baha, ng ulan, or ano, ay meron tayong agad na maipagkakaloob sa kanila. Kung whatever help you can give,
Kumbaga,
it is a
nakaipon
blessing, o at least nakakaipon tayong unti-unti para meron tayong kaagad na ilalabas. So, humihingi po ako ng suporta sa lahat ng inyong listeners because alam po natin, like ngayon, in this day and age that ang daming nangyayaring disaster sa atin, talagang bukas ang puso natin na tumulong sa ating kapwa. So kumakatok po ako sa inyong mga mabubuting puso, sa inyong mga soft hearts na tumulong po tayo sa mga taong mas nangangailangan sa atin. And we value the little things that we have. And yun nga po, kung meron po kayong questions, you can call 252-4368, 4278, 4338, and 4375. Those are the numbers of the Public Relations Department.
Okay.
Ayan po.
And again, if those numbers are hard to remember for you, kasi daming numbers yan.
Yes.
4,000 lang.
252-4000.
4,000 is the easiest number to memorize.
4001, 4002, asked to be connected to the SBMA PRD.
Yes. At I'd like to take this opportunity na rin to greet my lovely sister, si Mama Ron. Oo. And gusto ko, paulit-ulit kong pinasasalamatan si Mama Ron kasi when I was new here, she was the one who guided me all the way talaga. So now, I have found my place here in Subic Bay. And I love you, Mama Ron. Talagang super love kita. Grabe.
Napakabait na.
Yeah. And, ayan.
Oo nga.
And of course, I'd like
It's
to thank
okay.
yung staff niya, si DJ Tommy, si Double B, and all the rest of the DJs for always being there, for the support na binibigay sa amin. All throughout lahat ng activities namin. Thank you. And to the SBMA management, to the PRD, and to all the departments in SBMA, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Alright.
Yes.
Ayan. Hindi pa naman nagpapaalam sa
Ay, hindi
inyo.
pa ba? Ayan.
We have a couple minutes left.
Oh, okay.
Kanina, a while ago, we asked kung may mga gusto kayong itanong or
Meron
may mga
ba?
gustong... Yeah, actually, sa mga gusto pa pong magtanong, pwede pang humabol. 0909-263-0840 and 0917-648-2772. Pwede rin tumawag, 252-8905. Tapos, we are streaming worldwide. We have our camera there.
Naku,
Ayan.
dapat
We have-
pala nag-makeup ako.
We have more than 2,000 viewers, 2,047 viewers right now worldwide. Si Rimos Graphics naka-log in, si Mr. Edwin Ko Eclarinal, Mike Yuri, si Tamahomi J from South Korea, and somebody who goes by the nickname ZXCVBBMLPKOJ.
Hirap yata ng pangalan
Basta
niya.
ginanon lang yata no, para makapag-log in. Eto, meron pong nagtanong, this is via Facebook naman. Ayaw niya na lang sabihin kung sino siya. Gusto lang niya itanong. May company raw siyang alam. Tapos hindi raw maganda yung pasahod, sabi. Naraman niya raw sa friend niya rin na may mga AITA na ano to? Medyo Jejetex eh. Kasi na
Jejetex.
lahat ng trabaho sa kanila, I hope you'll understand, sa kanila na as in, kumbaga, ibig niya sabihin siguro, yung patrabaho is sobra-sobra lahat pinapatrabaho sa kanila. Tapos 150 pesos lang daw yung sahod. Tapos may mga empleyado na walang kontrata pero these are like labor department
Labor, parang sa
issues,
labor more,
Kaya lang
oo.
siguro na-i-ask niya dahil
Because of
may
the
mga AITAs na,
AITAs, yeah,
na hina-hire
oo.
din. Ayan. Siguro, yeah, what can you say about
I
this
can
man?
only speak for the AITAs, with regards to all the other labor concerns, it would be best siguro if they can touch base with Attorney Pastor,
Yeah.
the head of the labor department.
SBMA Labor.
Now, for the AITAs, I'm not sure kung ano yung tema ng question niya, but yung kung sinasabi nga na lahat pinapatrabaho sa AITA, it's dalawa lang yan eh. It's either lahat ng heavy load binibigay sa AITAs or yung mga AITAs ang binibigyan natin ng priority. Because nito nga, recently nga, we just had 50 additional AITA employees. So,
Right.
yun namang mga AITAs natin dito, I can assure you na hindi naman sila nadedehado because we have the Public Relations Department and the SBMA management na nangangalaga po sa kanilang mga concerns. And they do come to the office. In fact, every day, meron nga kami halos na mga guest na AITAs. Yung mga maliliit na bagay na pwede naming maitulong sa kanila, we extend our assistance naman to them in whatever way we can.
Okay. Very well said. So that's the thing there. If they are nadedehado nga, they can come to you, the SBMA
Yes,
PRD
O, DJ
office.
Tommy, at
Opo.
the same time, pwede nga rin silang tumawag sa
Okay,
opisina.
come closer to the mic, ma'am, please.
Okay, at the same time, pwede rin
Yeah,
naman
right.
silang tumawag sa opisina. So,
Opo.
so that we could point them doon talaga sa departamento na kung saan pa pwede
Yes,
mag-assist sa kanya. Pwede namin silang samahan or pwede namin silang i-refer doon sa departamento. In her case, sa labor department.
All right. Alright, okay. So,
Wala nang tanong.
yun nga, sabi niya, yung heavy load nga daw, hard labor nga talaga siguro yung pinapagawa sa naawa daw siya.
I just wonder, saan kaya specifically yung sinasabi niya na heavy load yung pinagagawa? Baka we can look into it.
Sige po, I will reply to her and then I'll give you.
And kasi since marami kasi tayong eye-test, di ba? We have also eye-test from Zambales. So siguro we can identify kung saan galing itong mga eye-test na to, because yung mga galing dun sa far-flung areas ng Zambales, hindi na po natin handle kasi yun po, yung mga eye-test po na handle natin are only those that are within the Freeport and contiguous to the Freeport.
Alright.
Yun.
Okay. Sige, I will be talking to her in secret para
Yes.
baka ba ibigay niya yung further.
Further details.
Okay, so anything else you would like to add, ma'am? Yeah, before we wrap things
Wala
up.
lang. I just want to say thank you for the opportunity that you gave us. And
Pleasure's ours.
hopefully I'll see you again in October during IP month guesting. And thank you, Mama Ron, again. Papasalamat po ako sa lahat ng departamento, departamento na always there to support our initiatives. And to the SBMA management, SBMA Chairman and Administrator Roberto Garcia, ang galing-galing na ni Chairman ngayon kapag meron siyang mga interviews. Galing-galing na niya ngayon mag-respond. Yun. So, Tita Malu?
Samantalahin ko na rin, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
Pinasalamatan natin ng buong hensya. Pasalamatan na rin natin lahat ng mga naging partners natin.
Yes, oo,
doon
mga
sa ating,
partners natin.
sa ating mga trabaho.
Sa ating mga
pagbibigay ng tulong
projects.
sa ating mga komunidad
Yes,
natin.
oo, all the
Napakaraming
government
partners
agencies.
niyan. Oo.
Mga locators.
Locators,
mga individuals.
NGOs,
yes.
Mga iba't ibang ahensya na kung saan patuloy na umaalalay sa atin. Sana po wag silang magsawang tumulong sa atin kasi pare-pareho naman po rin yung hangarin natin na kung saan tumulong sa ating kapwa.
Yes. Yung mga locators, hindi ko na po babanggitin isa-isa at baka may makaligtaan ako. But you know who you are. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Because of you, mas marami tayong natutulungan, mas maraming pinagpapala, mas maraming nagkakaroon ng blessing through your help. Patuloy lang po kayong sumuporta at nandito naman po kami to always guide you and assist you in whatever way na kaya po namin possible. So, ayan, magandang umaga. Again, DJ Tommy. Mama Ron, maraming salamat. Thank you. I love you so much. To my staff, my PRD family, mahal na mahal ko kayo. And sa lahat again ng mga nakikinig, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
All right, that's about it. Episode 2 of the Freeport Hour. Watch out, next Tuesday, our featured SBMA department will be the SBMA Legal Department.
Yun.
Okay, so once again, everybody, good morning and happy listening. 89.5 My Subic Bay Radio.
On November 24, 1991, the American carrier USS Bellwood, carrying the last batch of U.S. servicemen, sailed out of the Subic Naval Base, ending nearly a century of U.S. military presence in the country. Immediately, some 8,000 men and women from all walks of life volunteered to protect, preserve, and manage the facilities left by the Americans in the 67,000-hectare former U.S. Naval Base. The volunteers were instrumental in converting the once bastion of U.S. naval might in the Pacific into the Philippines' premier economic powerhouse, the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and the entire Freeport community commend the heroism of the Subic Bay volunteers.
Subic Bay! For the best music mix that keeps you riveted to your radio. This is PBS, the Philippine Broadcasting Service, jointly owned and operated by the national government and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. This is where you find news and entertainment with a wide variety of music. 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Subic Bay.
Visit Subic Bay Freeport Zone.
A special message from
89.5 My Subic Bay Radio
Worldwide
and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority.
Shivens Beach Resort and Hotel.
Beach Resort and Hotel.
Conveniently located at Maloy Long Beach, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. Experience the serene, breathtaking view of the seafront. You will surely enjoy and have a relaxing time with your family and friends. Modern and comfortable. Affordable room rates inclusive of free breakfast. All rooms are fully air-conditioned. Cable TV, safety deposit box, and free Wi-Fi. 24-hour room service. You will definitely have a superb dining experience as we offer a variety of sumptuous international dishes. Shivens Beach Resort and Hotel is the perfect venue for business meetings, seminars, conferences, birthdays, weddings, and a whole lot more. Friendly and efficient service staff adds up to the beautiful ambience. Filipino hospitality at its best. Go ahead, get that perfect vacation you've always dreamed of at Shivens Beach Resort